How to view total Steam hours played. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Start menu and search for Steam application. Open it and at the top left corner, go to Library and choose the option of Home. Then after, choose the particular game for which you want to see the played hour. Once you tap on the game name at the top, you will see the playtime. Now to view in all over the playtime in Steam, simply go to the home option again. Then after go to the profile name at the top right corner. From that, simply choose the option of profile. In the left hand side, you will see the option of edit profile. Simply click on it, go to privacy setting and you need to make some changes. In my profile and game detail, change the setting to public and then you will be able to see the total time played. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.